Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a zoom in and out effect of your videos with CapCut. So here I've already added a video, and to add a zoom in and zoom out, you can just use keyframes on CapCut. So first, click on the clip and go to where you want to zoom. So for example, I want to zoom in here. I'm going to add a keyframe and I'm going to just click on the video like this. I'm going to create a zoom effect by scaling the video like this, and I'm going to zoom out again. So I'm going to move forward, add another keyframe, and here just resize the video to its original size like this. Okay, so now the zoom will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.